Starting with a top focus, a day after Pak-backed terrorists killed 9 pilgrims in a terror attack in Jammu Kashmir's Riyasi, sources have told NDTV that there are 2 to 3 terrorists who are involved in the attack. There are 3 terror groups who have been operating in the Jammu region, and the recent attacks are not interlinked. Sources have also told NDTV that US-made rifles have been used by these terrorists in the attack, and US-made sophisticated arms which have been used in the attack, which has been timed ahead of Amarnath Yatra. This is the big breaking news now coming in, the big developments that we are learning of at the moment. The NIA team has also visited the spot today where the terror attack took place. The NIA team is tasked with probing the attack. Security has been strengthened in the area, and a massive search operation has been launched to hunt down the terrorists. Remember, Pak-based TRF has claimed the responsibility for the attack. It has even warned of more attacks in the future. Well, this is emerging as a serious concern and a big terror challenge for the Modi 3.0 government. Also, the terror attack took place on the very same day when the newly formed Modi government's swearing-in ceremony took place. That was yesterday. Well, NDTV is bringing you all the latest updates from the site of the Riyasi terror attack. We are on the ground and getting you all the latest developments and updates from the ground. Let's also listen in to reactions coming in. Listen in to first what the LG today had to say.
अब तक सूचना के हिसाब से 9 लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है और 37 लोग घायल, 18 लोग जम्मू मेडिकल कॉलेज में अभी मैं देख के आया हूँ। 14 लोग जो है वो नारायणा हॉस्पिटल में है और मैं उनको देखने जा रहा हूँ। कल शाम को ही रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन में प्रशासन और सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के लोगों ने सबको रेस्क्यू किया था। ज्वाइंट ऑपरेशन पुलिस, सीआरपीएफ और आर्मी ने लॉन्च किया हुआ। जो लोग भी इसके लिए जिम्मेदार हैं उनको निश्चित रूप से दंड मिले, इसका प्रयास हो रहा है। डीजीपी स्वयं अपनी टीम के साथ मौके पर हैं।
All right. My colleague Nazir is also joining us on the broadcast. He is on the ground getting us more details from there. Well, the situation continues to be tense at the moment. We do understand Nazir and the security forces are doing the best they can, making all possible efforts to nab the terrorists. What sources are also telling us at this point in time, Nazir, is that there could be 2 to 3 terrorists, a foreign hand that they are talking about, who could be involved in this attack. And there are 3 terror groups we are learning who've been operating in the Jammu region. And one of them is responsible for this attack.
Yeah, exactly. And it also shows a complex nature of security situation Jammu and Kashmir is facing. Terror theatre appears to have shifted from the plains of the valley to the mountains of Pir Panjal. Behind me, you can see the kind of challenge security force may have to face. It is very easier said than done when we say they have gone after terrorists to track them down. But it needs a proper military planning. It can't be a knee-jerk reaction because that would be sometime landing into their trap, which has happened in the past also. The security force would clearly choose their own time and the place to track them down. But having said that, there's an area domination. These are thick forests. These are mountains. It's not an easy area where security forces are operating, and the adversaries clearly these militants are well trained, appears to be well trained in the jungle warfare. That's why we have seen since October 2021, 39 army soldiers have been killed, 20 innocent civilians have been killed. This was the worst attack. Yatris who have come from UP, Rajasthan, they have been killed. They have come just to pray here, just go to a cave shrine, and they were killed like this. Among them, just 2-year-old. What was his fault? Little kid from Jaipur, 14-year-old boy, woman. So, and several are injured. 33 are injured. They are being treated at various hospitals. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha said that this attack was aimed at causing turmoil in Jammu and Kashmir. We know there are fault lines. That's why there have been attacks on Hindus in the past as well, to create communal strife in this region. But people have been mature enough to defeat militancy, because it is the locals of this place
Absolutely,
who
yes.
have fought militancy,
Yes, absolutely.
who have been killed, and who have been fighting militancy.
It's a dastardly attack
So,
that has
Lieutenant
taken
Governor
place here
talking
on the
about that, the Home
pilgrims
Minister-
who were
Home
moving
Minister
towards
and the Prime
Katra in
Minister
that
is-
bus. The bus full with the pilgrims was attacked by terrorists. It's a cowardly attack, and even what we are learning is that even after the bus had fallen into a gorge, after the terrorists had opened fire, they did not stop. They kept firing. That is what we are learning. All right, Nazir, it's very unfortunate. 9 lives have been lost. There are many who are injured and have been shifted to the hospitals. We'll come back to you, Nazir, after a bit. Meanwhile, thank you so much for getting us all those details. Well, survivors of the attack have described the attack and said there had been indiscriminate firing by the terrorists on the bus, and it did not even stop after the bus had fallen into a gorge. Listen into what more they told us.
हम ईपी से हैं, डिस्ट्रिक्ट बलरामपुर से। हम माता वैष्णो देवी के दर्शन करने के बाद में गए थे शिवखोड़ी दर्शन करने। दर्शन करके जब वापस लौट रहे थे, मुश्किल से 4-5 किलोमीटर गाड़ी आगे आई होगी, फिर एक पहाड़ से जब नीचे उतर रही थी तभी गोली चलने लगी थी।
आप ठीक हो बेटा?
और गोली चलने के बाद में बस जब नीचे चली गई है, गिर गई बस, उसके बाद में तब भी गोली काफी टाइम चला। जो रोड पे जब गाड़ी थी चल रही थी तो सामने से फायरिंग।
मैं संत कबीर नगर यूपी से आया हूँ और शिवखोड़ी के दर्शन के लिए गया था, और दर्शन करके वापस हम लोग आ रहे थे। 2-3 किलोमीटर बस चली होगी, उसके बाद जो है सामने से हमारे फायर होने लगा, और तब से फायर चलता रहा, और बस हमारी जो है थोड़ी सी आगे जाकर खाई में पलट गई। 5-6 राउंड गिरने के बाद एक बड़ा पत्थर में जो है बस फंस गया और रुक गया वहाँ। और सभी लोग जो है छोटी लोग हैं, उसमें कोई पड़ा था बेसुध, कोई इधर, कोई बाहर, कोई बस में, और सभी लोगों को एकदम जो है चोट लगा हुआ था।
हमने अपने कॉम्बिंग ऑपरेशन पूरे एरिया में जारी रखा हुआ है। ये लगभग 6 बजे के करीब एक यात्री बस जो है वो शिवखोड़ी से दर्शन करके टुवर्ड्स रियासी जा रही थी। तो उसी बीच इसी स्पॉट पे मिलिटेंट्स ने बस के ऊपर फायर किया। वो फायर करते ही ड्राइवर लॉस्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ द बस, और फिर वो नीचे खाई में जाके बस गिरी। उसके बाद वो लोग यहाँ से फरार हो गए, और जेएनके पुलिस साथ में सिविल लोकल सिविलियंस ने उनको रेस्क्यू करने में मदद की। बाय 7:45 रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन जो है वो कंप्लीट कर लिया गया। 9 पीपल आर रिपोर्टेडली दे आर feared dead and 33 were injured.